Hi, this is Paul Niebuhr with Synergy Networks. This is a video that demonstrates the basic capabilities of the CEO system, how it integrates with a website, and a little bit about the custom camp registration system. So CEO is our next generation member management system. There are a lot of capabilities that are being built into it that can be integrated directly with Synergy Networks website. So there's basic member information. This is all the information that we capture for each member: basic contact information, address, phone number, email, social links, images, text, subscriptions which can be used for targeted email broadcasts. The CEO system was kind of developed in parallel with the command system that was created for the United States Golf Association for state and regional golf associations to manage their membership. And we are working now with an integration that would actually integrate the club's CEO system with the state and regional golf association's command system so that it can pass updates and handicap information back and forth between the two. Now to take a quick look at the camp system. So camp is a specific kind of event, and then we use the event management system to register kids for the camp. So we have, in this case, we have 7 sessions set up. They each have a different start date. They basically go one week after the other. This is how this one club set them up. So if we take a look at the camp event as it is, you can see basic camp information: when it starts, when it ends, when the registration opens, the date and time the registration opens, and the date and time that the registration closes, what the status of it is, whether they can register online, and just a little bit more basic information, a description that gets used on the website. Other than that, we would take a look at the registrants, which is all the kids that registered. Here's a list of all the kids that registered. If we take a look at one registration, you will see that this is the date that they registered, the time that they registered. All of them are going to say quantity 1. We also have the ability to split them into groups in case you're running one session and you're going to divide the kids by age or whatever. The status of this, whether they are active, canceled, or waitlisted. And obviously you can keep notes on each of these. You can download all the kids that are registered for this camp into a spreadsheet. You can this will automatically assign them. In this case, they had us write something that would automatically assign the kids into specific groups based on their ages. And then the attendance is essentially just a PDF file that gets created with an attendance sheet so that they can mark the kids as having come day by day. As well, we have an allergy report. When we go on to the club website side where people are signing up, you'll see that people can mark their kids as having allergies. So this is now on the club website. We have there's just one session that we left open so that you could see what it's like to register a kid for one of these camp sessions. If I click information, this is basically just things that are spit back from the command side. So if we hop back over to command, we look at the event information. This is all just start and end date, registration start and end date, and this little description here. Those are all things that are being spit back onto the website. So I can go back to the schedule, and this schedule gets generated automatically based on the open camp sessions in the command system. So now if I want to register a child, I'm logged in as the administrator, so I just have a test child here. we'll go ahead and add a child, and it will, by filling this out, it will add a child to my contact list. So it would show up in a search as being my child. Also, part of the customization for this club was they wanted us to integrate in a shirt and polo shirt order. These are allergies that are defined by the club. So if I go into the allergy module here, I define my own allergies, and that's what shows up here. So I can say that he's allergic to bees. And what is the relationship? This is my child. So I'm going to update and register them for the event, or for the camp. So now if we come back to our session 1, we should see under registrants my test camper here. And this will, as part of the event description, I can say whether we're going to allow kids to be waitlisted or not. In which case, in the schedule, it would show that there were our max attendees is 80. There's currently 77. If that had reached 80 and we said no wait lists, the register link would not appear. Since that one does allow wait lists, it would list then here how many are waitlisted, and it would allow me to register, but I would be put on a wait list. So that is the camp system and CEO in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email. Thanks.